Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Inza Pro Traders. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I wanted to get this in before we have news at 7:30 Central Standard Time. We've got unemployment and we got the ECB news coming out, so it could really affect the market. As you can see, last night we had an open about 63.75 consolidation. We pulled right back down. We actually went up a little bit, made a high of 66.75. Not much really, just the wick went up there. Main body stayed down in here, and then we pulled right back down. We've touched this bottom a couple times, 23.59.50. So where do we go from here? The market has tried to pull up here once, and it's pulled back here. This is actually the third touch. This was yesterday's low, so we had a touch over here yesterday. Now we got to be really cautious in this area. We need this market to go up. If you're want to go long, you need this market to go up from here, get into this, touch this 24-hour VWAP in the open, pull back just a little bit, find some support here at 62, and move into the upside, top side of this zone, and come back and retest the bottom side, and then push on up to the overnight high of 66.75, just short of this zone. And after that, you want to look for a little bit more of a pullback to gain some momentum here. And then if we do that, then we will push right up into this zone right up in here, probably because of some good news off the market, push right up in here in a hurry, even to this yesterday's high of 73. But then look for a pullback, possible consolidation in this area. All right, possibly pull back all the way to the 70, possibly 69.50 before trying to move up. After that, after this move into this zone, again, look for it to move up to the next zone, 79, and then pull back. We're going to get some pullbacks at every zone resistance. Sellers really want to step in here. Possible high today of 82.75. That's about as high as I expect, but that would really be pushing it if we get really good news at 7:30. Now to the downside, if we fail this zone right here after the retouch, or if we don't make it up here and double top, and it fails down below here, look for it to come to about the 57, come back up and retest this bottom of this zone, somewhere between 59, 50, 58, right in this area. Then if it fails down, look out below. There's no really nothing to stop this market from heading down to this 55 area, 54. Maybe a little bit pullback for people taking profit. Should get a good bounce to try to hold, but if it doesn't, we're going to pull all the way down to 50s, 46s. It could get ugly real quick. So be prepared if you're going to trade short. Chance for some high potential here this morning. So watch it real close. All right, let's take a look at market profile again to see what happened. If I can get it up here. All right, as you can see, we pulled back on this 4-hour chart, pulled back to this area right in here where I said we've got to hold this 60 area. And if we don't, this is where we're going to just drop straight down to that 46 area. There's a big gap on the market profile for us to fall down straight down to this 45 area, then 30. So be careful of it. So we've got to hold this to bounce up. And after that, we might be able to go right back up to the 99. And we've got a couple stops in there at 81 and 70 area. But this is what we need to do. We're at a critical area to hold right here. So if you got any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.